Do you want to know how you can enable the system emojis in Signal Messenger? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to how to log in. Let's go ahead and start the video. Open the Signal app on your phone. What you need to do next is click on your profile, which you see on the top left hand corner of your screen. After you click it, you should go to chats. As you click on chats, you can see right under keyboard settings is use system emoji. If you want to use the system emoji in Signal, go ahead and turn this button on. Now I'm gonna show you the difference. I'm gonna go to the chat and go to emoji, and you can see the system emojis has been applied. So I'm gonna send this emoji over here. Now you can see the difference. You can go to the profile, go to chats and disable the system emoji from here. So go to chats, you can see the use emoji option. Let's go ahead and disable it and go back to the chat option over here, and you can see some of the differences over here in the emoji section. So I hope this video about how you can use the system emojis in Signal Messenger was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.